Ship Safety Management Systems, or SMS, are crucial for ensuring the safety of vessels and their crews. At its core, SMS is a structured framework that helps maritime organizations manage safety risks effectively. It's not just a set of rules, it's a culture of safety that permeates every level of a maritime operation. Let's dive into why SMS is so important. First, it provides a systematic approach to identifying hazards and assessing risks. This proactive stance allows crews to anticipate potential dangers before they escalate into serious incidents. Think of it as a safety net that catches issues before they can cause harm. By implementing SMS, shipping companies can significantly reduce accidents, protect their crew, and safeguard the environment. Now, what are the key components of an effective SMS? There are several, but let's focus on three main elements: policy, risk management, and continuous improvement. The safety policy is the foundation. It outlines the organization's commitment to safety and sets clear expectations for everyone on board. This policy is not just a document, it should be visible and actively promoted throughout the organization. Next is risk management. This involves identifying potential hazards, assessing the risks associated with them, and implementing measures to mitigate those risks. For example, during safety drills, crews practice emergency procedures, ensuring they know exactly what to do in a crisis. These drills are vital for reinforcing the SMS and building confidence among the crew. Finally, continuous improvement is essential. An effective SMS isn't static, it evolves based on feedback and lessons learned from incidents. Regular audits and reviews help identify areas for improvement, ensuring that safety practices remain relevant and effective. So, why does all this matter? The maritime industry is inherently risky. By embracing SMS, we create a safer working environment, which ultimately leads to fewer accidents and injuries. This not only protects the crew, but also enhances the reputation of the shipping company and contributes to the sustainability of maritime operations. In conclusion, ship safety management systems are more than just compliance tools. They are vital for fostering a culture of safety at sea. By understanding and implementing SMS, we can ensure that every voyage is as safe as possible. It's time for everyone in the maritime industry to prioritize safety and commit to continuous improvement. Let's make safety a shared responsibility because when it comes to maritime operations, safety is not just a policy, it's a way of life.